Hopefully they're little. For some of you who are sleeping, they might have felt really big. Over into our mountain communities. So again, higher elevations in Ventura. We saw some lightning strikes there earlier this morning. Now we're just left with a little bit of rainfall, and then the rest of Southern California not dealing with much in the way of rain. So we'll get back to afternoon clearing, and it looks dry, and it looks like it's going to be another warm and muggy day here across Southern California. So happy Wednesday. We're rolling into at least some cooler weather for this afternoon, so that's some good news. We have a few little spotty showers that could be possible, mostly drizzle, as we're heading into tomorrow and your Friday. And then Saturday, watch what happens. Some green starts to fly by. That's Saturday. Sunday, sort of the same pattern. Most of that will stay in our mountains and our deserts, but I can't rule out the chance of some of that rainfall coming in. If you're heading out the door, this is what it looks like. Just really pretty. 70 degrees over into Burbank. We have some red skies there. So nice looking. But most of the clouds, you can see how patchy they are. They're going to be moving out of here by the time we're heading into your afternoon. So I just don't see that it's going to last very long as far as that cloud coverage is concerned. Now 70s are starting out this morning. So relatively speaking, it's already warm and already muggy as we're getting going. And there's that cutoff low. This thing is annoying. Let me tell you why. This is not attached to a jet stream. So usually when we're forecasting storms moving or coming in or going out, we can really give you a great idea on timing based on it being attached to our conveyor belt, which is our jet stream. We could really pattern out how that's going to go. This has separated itself from the jet stream. So it's moved its way to the north into Santa Barbara. Watch what we think is going to happen with this as that area of low pressure moves its way back into Arizona, grabs a hold of monsoonal moisture, and then pushes it back into our area Saturday, Sunday, and potentially Monday. Is that how it's going to play out for sure? Well, I am having trouble because we're talking about this being detached from the jet stream. So this can wobble in a few different directions, but right now it looks like it's going to possibly wobble over Southern California for the weekend into Monday. Again, that's why the chances are so low. It's only a 10% chance. And then we're rolling into the 80s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It's around 85, 84, 83 over the next few days. And then we're going to roll on upward to about 90 degrees on Monday and Tuesday. This is a little higher here. We get a little orographic lift, which means our mountains get to see a little bit better condensation over the hillsides. So we have a chance.